Hi there, my name is James and today we're taking a closer look at the new Bugaboo Donkey 5. The Donkey 5 is the future ready picked for growing families who want to stay connected wherever they go with 1 or 2 kids. What makes the Bugaboo Donkey so unique is that in just 3 clicks you can go from mono to duo or twin configuration, allowing your siblings to be side by side from birth to toddler. In this video, I'll be focusing on the great new features about the Bugaboo Donkey 5. If you're looking to know more detail about the traditional great features of the Bugaboo Donkey, such as easily converting from mono to duo configuration, or the large all-terrain wheels, then check out the Bugaboo Donkey 5 video, What to Know Before Buying. Otherwise, stay tuned as I share all the great updates about the Bugaboo Donkey 5. Bugaboo wanted to make the Donkey 5 even easier to use with an improved fold, improved seat height, and a breezy bassinet for extra ventilation, making it more comfortable for parent and child, whilst also bringing more vibrancy and colours to your stroll. So, let's jump into what's new with the Bugaboo Donkey 5. This smart window is what makes the breezy bassinet so special. It helps with extra airflow, so it's easier for your baby to regulate their natural body temperature and keep themselves cool in warm weather. If you live in a colder climate, Bugaboo has planned for this. With rigorous testing of winds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, Bugaboo has made extra sure that the window closes firmly to block any cold draft from coming in. See these magnets? They seal the window so your newborn baby stays cozy and warm. It also doubles as a nice sneak peek of what's going on in the world around them. The Donkey 5 grows with you from birth to toddler. Let's switch to the Donkey 5 seat. Check out how comfy the new and improved shoulder pads are. Bugaboo have raised the bassinet and seat height by 3 cm, making the seat at 57 cm, providing more protection for your child, making them easier to reach and closer to you. You can also adjust the view for the baby from facing the world to facing you. Depending on if your child is feeling active or sleepy, you can recline the seat in 3 positions. On top of this, Bugaboo have also made the folding and unfolding even easier. The position of the buttons have moved forwards to the front of the handle, making them easier to use. When folding, it's even easier by just using one finger. When unfolding, all you need is a simple lift. The most visual upgrade is with the chassis and the fabrics. The new sleek graphite colour chassis has high quality matte finish, and the fabrics themselves are also new and improved. They're soft to touch yet durable and provide even more comfort for your child, as well as coming in a wide range of new colour options. And while you're strolling, you can now add the Bugaboo cup holder and wheelboard with the updated attachments, allowing you more freedom and practicality while allowing the whole family to join in the adventure. Now for the most eye-catching part about the new Donkey 5 strollers, the colours. Colour has always been a massive part of Bugaboo's design thinking from the start. For the Donkey 5, Bugaboo have introduced a beautiful new colour palette for you to choose from. The fabrics are also new and improved. They're incredibly soft to touch, yet durable and water repellent. Bugaboo has also made some beautiful yet subtle changes to the branding. All in all, a very sophisticated look. There you have it, all the great new features of the Bugaboo Donkey 5. If you're looking for a spacious stroller with room to grow, the Donkey 5 is definitely for you. If you're inspired and want to find out more, including the iconic Bugaboo Donkey features or the great colours available, then head over to bugaboo.com or check out their other stroller videos. Thanks so much for tuning in. My name is James and I hope to see you soon. Happy strolling!